Hey guys, this is MTP Tech, and today I'm continue my setup. And this is the part 6 where I unbox the GeForce Gigabyte RTX 2060 video game card, and this is the last part. And then after we finish the whole build, we're gonna start it up, and we end this with a 6-part series of the building the computer. Here we go. We take our handy dandy tools and open it up. It's the protection backplate, dual fans, invert fans, heat pipe, direct touch GPU. I like it, really. Okay, and here it is. What else? Quick graphics guide and disk, but we understand that it's 2020. We really don't have CD-ROMs anymore. Yeah, quite pretty package, but we're not gonna use it. Yeah, let's just take it out. Oh yes, bomb quality seal. Take out the part. Let's put it to the side. Yeah, here we go. This is the stuff. RTX 2060 with the cool backplate. Yeah, GeForce RTX heat pipes. I like it. It has, as I understand, 1 HDMI output and 3 DisplayPort output. I don't have DisplayPort, so I'm going to be using HDMI, but I believe it should be still quite good, because to have a FreeSync, I have FreeSync monitor, so to have FreeSync we still need to connect the monitor through DisplayPort. Okay, let's take it to the side. Now is the part where we should, yeah, first of all unscrew. Oh, that's screwed very tight. That's thumb screw, but yeah. Oh yeah. It's you need a screwdriver to now open it because it's just too strong. It's just too strong. Ew. Okay, the back plate is but it was just done like this, yeah? No? And screw it in, or it was done like this. Yeah, it was done like. Now, what I need to do? Cheech and Chong. Hell. Oof. Okay. This is this one, so the GPU takes two slots. Let's take out the protective seal, and let's take out the HDMI. Of course we can take out all of that, because why to get excessive heat inside the system? So just, yeah, take the GPU to the side and screw 2 of those screws. Okay. it's good that you can later put them on. Very good, very good. Maybe we can screw them in for a little bit, then I don't lose my screws. Okay, that one. And the other one. Yeah, got that too. Great. Let's just oh yeah, it probably was like that. Yeah. First of all, screw the GPU in, then yes. Okay, and now connection. Let me think about it. Yeah, this needs at least a little bit of space, but this could just easily work how it should. So just connect it like that, and that's it. Bam. That's it. Okay guys, this is the moment of truth. We're just gonna turn the PC, take the cable, yeah, I'm gonna use few books, and now the car bomb. Bam. Looks like everything works. And bam! Oh, everything works. Like Jensen said, it just works. Of course, we see nothing, but damn. No lights, no nothing. GPU fan spinning. Oh yeah, we started to see something. F1 to run setup. Oh yeah. What do we have right here? Okay, I'm gonna change the camera, and you see that it works. Yes. Thank you guys for watching this video. It was so fun to build this thing for you guys. I want to make more videos. I want to make them better quality for you. So just press like, ask if you need something. That helps. Of course it would help if you subscribe to my channel. I know it's just simple. I want to do more videos, more unboxing, and continue this with better quality. Thank you for watching it, and see you next time.